Okay, this video is long overdue, and I want to reply to a recent comment I got here on my channel about someone getting allegedly scammed by me
Hello, me. Meet the real me.
for $1,200. Well, here's the thing, my friend. There isn't a thing I do here on my channel or on social media where anything I offer is over $100. My business for years has been $100 or less. And there's people out there that are posing as me, duping people like you into investing thousands of dollars. And it's sad, it's unfortunate, and it is 1000% not me. So what I want to do in this video is I want to walk you through my actual real social media accounts. I'm going to show you the URL. I'm going to show you the actual account so you can see it for yourself. So if anyone pretending to be me hits you up on the side asking you to invest in anything, I want you to know that it is not me and not what I do. What I do is shown for you clear as day here on my YouTube channel and my other social media accounts. So I'm going to show you that as well. And I also want to show you in this video what to be aware of, some key things to look for to know that you are most likely being misled and being duped into investing money that you do not need to lose. And these people are scammers, and I will show you some tips and things that you need to look for. Okay, so let's dive into it.
Hello, me. Meet the real me.
So one of the first things we're going to take a look at here is you can see it right on your screen. Someone had commented on one of my recent videos here is, is this you or someone using your information to scam people? And unfortunately, there are people that pose as content creators out there and will try to dupe you into investing into things like Forex and crypto and any type of investment deal where you have to fork out large sums of money and they promise you big, huge returns. And of course, someone commented this and said, "Hey, was this you?" And unfortunately, this person actually invested $1,200 into, Lord knows what, but it wasn't me. And that's why I literally wanted to leave the comment here for other people to see that, you know, it's very unfortunate, but there are some things that you need to be aware of and that you need to look at so this does not happen to you. So, first thing I'm going to do is I want to head on over to my Facebook profile over here. And number one thing that you need to look for and be aware of to know that you're actually with, a real person, me, okay? See right here, you see the blue check mark, okay? That is my real Facebook account. This is the main account that I use on a consistent basis. You can see right up here in the URL specifically says Daniel J. Kump, okay? This is my main account, okay? This is the one that I use 99% of the time. Now, I say 99% because there is a 1%, which I'm going to explain that here in a minute, okay? Okay, so this is my main Facebook account. This is what I use to post all of my videos. Again, 99% of my post of everything that I do here on Facebook. So make sure that you are aware of that. Also, what's really, really, really important here is I will never, ever reach out to anyone in their inbox, whether it be on TikTok, on Facebook, on Insta. I will never reach out to someone and ask them to get into an investment scheme. Period. End of story. I do not do that. I have my phone number on all of my videos, and people reach out to me. I don't reach out to anyone. Okay. I do not pitch investment deals in the DM. I do not do that. So if someone pretending to be me is hitting you up via direct message, it is 100% not me. Are we both on the same page here? I hope so. Okay. So this is one of my main social media accounts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to a couple of other accounts. Now the reason why I want to show you these other accounts here is because I do have other social media accounts that were created by me, but I do not use them. Okay. So as an example, if you have somebody messaging you, I'm going to go here. Okay. This here, what I'm about to show you, is an old fan page, like meaning I would use this for Facebook ads. I no longer use this page. Okay, you can see up here in the URL, it says DKL Marketing. Again, I do not use this page. Okay, this is just there. and it's just out there, but I do not use it. Okay. Let's go look at another page. This is another page here, another fan page that I use exclusively for ads. You can see the URL there, a bunch of numbers and whatever. Okay, this page has 9,100 followers. Again, it's just out there. It's a page I used for Facebook ads years ago. I no longer use this page. Okay, so there are other accounts that I have out there, but I don't necessarily use them. Now, here's a big clue. Okay, this is something to look for, something to key in on. If someone with my name is messaging you on Facebook and they're asking you to invest into something, for starters, that's a big clue because I don't do that. You're going to want to look at the followers. Okay, you're going to want to go and click on the actual account. You know, my main account here, I literally have almost 70,000 followers. A big clue is you're going to see people with accounts that have like 10 followers, 100 followers, maybe 1,000 followers. Again, my main account, I have almost 70,000 followers. The fan pages, I'm never going to message you from there, so that's not me. And both of those accounts have over 1,000 followers. Most of these accounts that people will message you from on Facebook, they're brand new accounts. They're recently created. They maybe have a few hundred followers, okay? But all of my accounts have thousands of followers, okay? So again, things to be aware of, things to look for. Now, one other account that I do have that I do use occasionally, and I only use it for a very specific purpose. This is why earlier I said 99% of the time. So the 1% of the time, I'm going to go over here to, okay, my other Facebook account, okay? We're going to go over here, okay? And this is my other Facebook account. Now, this account, again, was created years ago, okay? And I only have 13 friends on this account, okay? Now, the only reason for this account is this is my backup account to go live. And you can see right here in the URL, it'll say daniel.kump.395. This is my backup account, okay? I only use this account to go live in my funnel team Facebook group, okay? So occasionally when I get hit with the community guideline strike on Facebook and I can't go live on my main account, which is here, when I can't go live here, I use my backup account here to go live. And again, only in my team's Facebook group. This is the only time I use this account. I don't message anybody from this account. I don't use this account literally for anything other than going live. Okay. So in total, I have about 4 Facebook profiles that are out there that are actually legitimately me. But again, if anyone messages you asking to invest into, you know, thousands of dollars for crypto, Forex, any of that stuff, 100% not me. Now, YouTube, okay, the YouTube channel that you're on right now, you'll see that I have, 29, almost 30,000 followers. This is my legit YouTube account, okay? There's no other accounts that I have and use on YouTube, period, end of story, okay? Now let's head over to TikTok because, again, some of you have told me in my comments here and also over on TikTok that there's a lot of, TikTok accounts that are created by me or look like they're created by me, people reaching out to you and messaging you, okay? Simply not true, okay? My main and only Daniel Kump TikTok account that I use currently, right now, as of today, at the time of this video, is this one that you see right here. And it says The Daniel Kump, okay? That is the handle. Okay, you can see the URL right there, at The Daniel Kump. Okay, that is it. growwithdaniel.com. You guys will see right there. And again, 18,000 followers. This is my main account on TikTok. Now, I do have one other account. This is a brand new account that I recently started. I always like to have a backup account on TikTok because TikTok is very finicky when it comes to community guidelines. Okay, so head on over here. You'll see this one here. This one doesn't even have my name in it, okay? It says join this movement. Also says here, the movement. I have about 137 followers, like literally just started this, okay? So this is another account. And obviously too, like you're going to notice that when you go to the links that are in my profiles, they're going to go to my actual page, okay? So as an example, like if you went to any of the links coming off of any of my social media channels, okay? Oh, sorry. I don't know why that went there. If you go to any of the links coming off my channels, okay, they're going to go to either A, my YouTube channel, or B, my capture pages. So you're going to know it's me. I've seen fake pages out there that have Linktree accounts, or sometimes they don't even have a link. All of my social, whether it be Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, wherever, they're all going to go to a link to my capture page, or they're going to get you over here, right here, to my YouTube channel. Okay. So there you go. Now, let's talk about Instagram for a second. Instagram, I have one main account. I don't even use Instagram. I haven't used Instagram for years. The only thing that Instagram gets used for is my posts on Facebook. All right. These, my posts on Facebook here, all of these reels and everything, they automatically get posted to my Instagram account, but I 100% do not use Instagram. So again, if someone is messaging you over on Instagram, it is 1000% not me. Okay. Make sure you understand that. Okay. So as far as TikTok goes, you could do this on Facebook as well. But I mean, just to show you over here, if I were to type in my name, okay, just put in my name just so you guys can see it. You'll see, I'll open this up and you'll probably see a dozen accounts that are not me. Okay. I mean, I don't know what this is. Jen M, the affiliate private. Clearly not me, right? I mean, look at the marketing. Amazon digital marketing. These are literally someone trying to use my videos, not even my name, but they have my photo and everything. So clearly that one's not me. Okay. Again, there's my real one. Fake account, fake account, fake account. Not sure who that is. Fake account, fake account, fake account. uh, okay, another fake account. You can see like here's one that looks very similar. The Daniel, and there's an extra L in there. So again, another fake account. So you got to be careful, guys. You got to be real careful with this stuff. That people are trying to dupe you, people are trying to fool you, and it's not just me. It goes on down here, another fake account, fake account, fake account. Just more and more fake accounts. So please, guys, be really, really careful as to what you guys are seeing out there. And just know, like I mentioned multiple times in this video and before, I will never hit you up in the DM asking you to invest into any investment opportunities, Forex, crypto, thousands of dollars, stuff like that. I won't do that. I don't hit you up in the DMs. People message me about my business opportunity, because if we were to come over here to any of these videos, okay, any of my YouTube videos, and I'll open them up here. There's probably going to be an ad that'll play, sure. Okay. Any of my videos, okay, you guys will see that I always leave my phone number at the top of the video. This is how I connect with people. I connect with people in the comments on my content, whether it be on Facebook or TikTok or here on YouTube. I connect with people in the comments, and then I connect with people via text message at this number and only this number. Okay. If someone is texting you and it is not this number right here, if it's a different number, okay, again, not me. It is not me. Okay. So you got to make sure that you have the right information. And I know this has happened to me. This has happened to, dozens of people that are on my team. Once people get to be, whether it's considered an influencer or a content creator, there's a lot of scammers out there, and there's a lot of, well, let's just call it, there's a lot of douchebags and assholes out there that are trying to steal your money, and it's very, very unfortunate. The only thing that I promote and that I am promoting literally right now, and you'll see it all over my channel, is my business, and that is myEcon. Okay. That is my business. That's what I've been promoting for years. That is what I will be promoting for years. And it is less than $100 to join. Okay. And that's it, my friend. That's it. So wanted to share this with you, wanted to get real, wanted to show you some real facts, real data, and let you know what's out there. Okay. So I have 4 Facebook accounts. I showed you the URLs. I showed you what those are. I showed you my actual real TikTok accounts. Okay. You guys know my real YouTube account here Instagram, you don't even have to worry because I don't do anything over there. And just please know that I will never private message you asking you to invest into anything other than myEcon. And I won't be hitting you up for that. You'll be reaching out to me. That's how my business model works. Okay. So there you have it. This video was long overdue, but I wanted to respond to some recent comments and just let you guys know that, this is a real thing. There's, assholes out there that are going to try and steal your money, and they're going to do it in the most deceptive ways possible. And it's very, very unfortunate, but there are some legitimately good people out there, good businesses out there that you actually can make real great money at, like I've been doing for years, teaching and helping people like you do that for years. But you also need to be very, very careful. So appreciate you. Thank you for watching. If you did make it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit that bell icon so you know anytime I upload new content here to my channel. And you, my friend, will be the first to know. Truly appreciate you being a subscriber here on my channel. It really does mean a lot. This is my baby. I love what I get to do. I love creating content for you every single day and helping many of you build and grow a successful home-based business. I'll see you on the next one.